Netgear Orbi RBK50-100INS home Wi-Fi system, white. Covers up to 5,000 square feet with high-performance Wi-Fi and lets you get rid of Wi-Fi boosters or extenders. This kit includes an Orbi Wi-Fi router and satellite. Innovative tri-band Wi-Fi helps maximize the internet speeds available in your home. Single Wi-Fi network name provides seamless room-to-room roaming throughout your home. Easy setup with a single and secure Wi-Fi network that works with your existing internet service. Guest Wi-Fi network lets you easily set up separate and secure internet access for guests. Use the Orbi app or any web browser to create secure whole home Wi-Fi in minutes, no accounts to create or personal information needed to set up. Compatible with Amazon Echo Alexa, control your home network using voice commands. Works with all internet service providers, Airtel Fibernet, BSNL, ACT, Vodafone, Tata, Tele, Hathway, Beam Cables, Tikona, MyWorld, Nextra, Siti Cable, Broadband, Spectranet and all other major service providers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.